Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech, and in this video I will be discussing with you about large polygonal models to have smaller file sizes. In this project, I have a scan of a car underbody. And if I look at the number of points, you'll see I have 22 million points, or about 43 million triangles. This is a large polygonal model. For inspection purposes, PolyWorks can still handle this large file size, just processing will take longer. For other applications, like reverse engineering and simulation, I may not need such a large file size for my scan. So let me show you how I can reduce the file size. First, from the PolyWorks Workspace Manager, there is the PolyWorks Modeler module. If you have a license of PolyWorks Modeler, you'll just single-click this module to open a new session. I already have a session open as well. And I already have the scan imported. I first want to show you that there is the full PolyWorks Modeler on the left, and there is Modeler Lite on the right side. Both versions of PolyWorks Modeler offer the Reduce tool. Now, if I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I can find the Reduction tool under the Polygons toolbox, Reduce Triangles. Or if I'm using PolyWorks Modeler Lite, I can find the Reduce Triangles button right on the toolbar. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon, I can navigate to the Home tab, Reduce. It'll be the same path in Modeler Lite. Home tab, Reduce. Let me go ahead and focus on the full PolyWorks Modeler now. So just to show, we still are working with 43 million triangles. So to reduce the triangles, I'll navigate to Home, Reduce, and I can specify to reduce by a certain tolerance or aim for a certain number of triangles in my final mesh. I'll go ahead and use the tolerance method and reduce my model by 10 microns. I'll go ahead and reduce. While my computer is processing, let me explain how reduction is simplifying this mesh. Let me draw a polygon as an example. When using the tolerance method, PolyWorks will simply reconnect these vertices while skipping others. Based on this redrawn polygon, each of these new faces now deviate just a little bit from the original vertex. PolyWorks will only reconnect these vertices only if this deviation is under my tolerance. And if it is, PolyWorks will go ahead and go through another iteration, and it will continue to repeat until it can no longer satisfy the tolerance condition. Now that the reduction has been completed, I'll close this tool, and you'll see that my triangle count has been reduced down to 14 million triangles. Let me go ahead and export this scan. I'll just add reduced at the end of it. And notice once it's fully been exported, notice the difference in file size between the original scan and the reduced scan. This is how I can simplify a polygonal model for downstream applications. Thank you for watching.